Santiago LAN Hub welcomes you. CBSE Grade 10 Physics Chapter Light, Refraction and Reflections. Concave Mirror Problem Solving. Higher Order Thinking Skills Questions. Please subscribe the channel and share the video. An object is placed at the following distances from a concave mirror of focal length f is equal to 15 centimeter turn by turn. A 35 centimeter, B 30 centimeter, C 20 centimeter and D 10 centimeter. Which position of the object will produce? Option 1, a magnified real image. Option 2, a magnified virtual image. Option 3, a diminished real image. Option 4, an image of same size as the object. Before solving the problem, as I said, we have to understand the question and try to draw the ray diagram of a concave mirror. If we have drawn the ray diagram for concave mirror, we have almost solved the 50% of the question. Let us go for the solution. Here in this ray diagram, before that, the answer is already given. So for the first question, for option A, when the object is placed at 35 centimeter, the image produced will be a diminished real image. When the object is placed at 30 centimeter distance from the concave mirror, it will produce an image of the same size as the object, because object is placed at the center of curvature C will produce the inverted image of the same size. And when the object is placed at 20 centimeter distance from the concave mirror, it will produce an magnified real image. That means the object is placed between the center of curvature and the focal point F. So when the object is placed between the C and F, it will produce the magnified real image. And D is 10 centimeter. That means when the object is placed between the focal point and the pole of the concave mirror, it will produce the virtual image on the other side of the concave mirror. So all the answers are already given. Before solving, we have given the answer. Let us go for the justification. When the object, let us begin with the 10 centimeter. When the object is placed at 10 centimeter from the concave mirror, that means the object is placed between the focal length and the pole. When the object is placed between the focal length and the pole, it will produce the magnified erect virtual image. So the answer is image produced is virtual and magnified when the object is placed at 10 centimeter. So the answer is given, justified. For D, the answer is the image is virtual and magnified. When the object is placed between the center of curvature and the focal length F, it will produce the magnified real image. That means the image is inverted. So when u equal to 20 centimeter, the object is placed at 20 centimeter. That means the object is in between center of curvature and the focal length F. Then the image produced by the concave mirror is magnified and real. When the object is placed at 30 centimeter, that means C equal to 2 times F. C equal to 2 times F. F equal to 15 centimeter, that is given in the problem. So C equal to 2F means C equal to 30 centimeter. When the object is placed at 30 centimeter, which means it's on the center of curvature. When the object is placed on the center of curvature, its image produced by the concave mirror is inverted equal in size. So object and the image are of the same size when it is placed on the C, where the C, the distance of the object from the pole is 30 centimeter, because C equal to 2F, F is equal to 15 centimeter, which is given. So C equal to 30 centimeter. When the object is placed at 35 centimeter from the pole, which means u equal to 35 centimeter, means object is placed at a distance of 35 centimeter from the mirror, then the image produced is diminished and real. So all the answers are justified. Next problem. A concave mirror has a focal length of 25 centimeter. At which of the following distance should a person hold his face from this concave mirror so that it may act as a shaving mirror? The answer is, the options are A 45 centimeter, B 20 centimeter, C 25 centimeter, and D 30 centimeter. Here the answer is B equal to 20 centimeter. Let us go for the justification of the answer. As I said, we have drawn the diagram which shows the principal axis, pole of the concave mirror, focal length, and center of curvature. What is given is F equal to 25 centimeter. Focal length is 25 centimeter. If a man hold his face between F and P, then his face appears virtual and enlarged on the other side of the concave mirror. So U is less than F. That means 20 centimeter. If the object is placed 20 centimeter, meaning object is placed between F and P, the image produced will be enlarged and virtual image on the other side of the concave mirror. And if the image is virtual and upright, then only the man will use the concave mirror for saving his face. If the object is placed, if the face is placed in between C and F, then the image produced is the inverted image. So the man cannot use the concave mirror for saving. So the only option is, the man should place his face or hold his face in between F and P. Then only the image will be upright and virtual. Then he can use the concave mirror for saving his face. All the other places are not suitable for shaving. So the answer is 20 centimeter will produce, if the object is placed at 20 centimeter distance from the concave mirror, then the image will be magnified and virtual upright. Then he can go for shaving his face. Will you justify the given answer? A virtual, erect, and magnified image of an object is to be produced with a concave mirror of focal length 12 centimeter. Which of the following object distance should be chosen for this purpose? Option A 10 centimeter, option B 15 centimeter, option C 20 centimeter. The answer is 10 centimeter. Will you justify the given answer? Please subscribe the channel and share the video. Thanks for watching.